Hi guys, today we're going to replace the battery on this Audi keychain, the Audi key. So if you have the other key, just take the blade and there's this slot over here. So what you need to do is put the key here and basically push it upwards. See, there you go. And now you can take off the cover. The cover is off and that's the battery here. So this is CR2025. Okay, so we need to get this battery, and from here you can take off the battery. So if you have a flathead screwdriver, that's the gap over here, push it in and that battery comes off easily, and that's the battery which is to be gone over here. So we put a new battery here. All right, so this battery, as you can see, is rusted. So I have got another battery which is very similar, but it's slightly thicker than this. So this is the 2032. Okay, I'm just going to Google out and see if we can fit this battery in. Alright guys, I've just seen that the only difference between these two batteries is thickness, but they are same 3-volt batteries. So as long as this one fits in, then we can fit it in. So as you can see, these are the prongs which are holding the battery. So these two prongs here, 1 and 2. So you need to put the battery from the prongs, so towards the prongs first, and then press it down. Okay, and it's working fine, so believe me, it's gonna work. So to put it back on, just put the cover from here first, and then this will remain open, so you just press on this one. All right, there you go. So the click sound means it's been fitted. Make sure there's no gaps, otherwise you have to take it off again and do it again. So let's test it. So the light turns on, so that means the remote works. This one also does the same, the working one. So the key is working fine. So this is how you replace the battery. Best would be to replace the same battery with the same model number, which is CR2025. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and this is for the Audi A3 or similar battery casings. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe. Cheers, bye.